Hey guys, PuppyVlog back. Sorry I haven't been recording in a while. Make a video how to go live. So me and the film will go for a run. Okay? We're gonna run down here like we usually do. Okay? So 3, 2, 1. Cat! See, he's very exciting. We got a new leash for him. His name's Lightning. I know he's so pretty. Let me just check, okay. Lightning! Aww, stop! Sorry my videos have been short lately. I've been trying to angle stuff right and stuff. So yeah. Oh. I will not say where I live, but I will say one thing. South Carolina. Yes, I live in South Carolina, no snow. Mom, if you're watching this, I'm sorry for doing this. People in Kentucky are probably already snowed in, okay. Okay. Oh, there's some water we can play in. Wanna come see us play in water? Here, let me show you what I saw. Saw that. Me and Lightning like walking over here. If he's off one more time, he's going to the house. Sorry, I feel weird today. I just don't feel like myself. See, this is water. Oh, ignore that. That's that apartment. Oop. Yes, I do live in an apartment, even though I'm a YouTuber. So you probably want to see Lightning walk in this water. Go, boy. Go, Lightning. Oh my God, that's so cute. That's so cute. Now, guys, want to see a perfect picture of him? Lightning. Hello. There you go. Make that your wall cover. Got it? Okay. Let's go. If you're a fan, I want you to do this real quick. Make this your wall cover. Got it? You should have. Okay. So, yeah, I am obsessed with anime, as you can tell, but I never actually did a real video, because this is like, I don't know, I haven't recorded in a long time, so guys, yeah, I will see you in the next tune soon, okay? Bye. Bye, fam. See you on the next tune.